If you're experiencing audio desync issues in League of Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check audio settings. Open League of Legends and navigate to the audio settings and options menu. Ensure that the correct audio output device is selected and that the volume levels are appropriately adjusted. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers for your sound card. Installing updated drivers can resolve compatibility issues that may cause audio desync. Step 3. Verify game files. Open the League of Legends client, go to the settings, and find the option to repair the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may fix audio issues. Step 4. Adjust Windows audio settings. Right-click the sound icon in the system tray and select Playback Devices. Choose your audio device, click Properties, and under the Advanced tab, try different sample rates and bit depths to see if it resolves the desync. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that might interfere with audio processing. This includes voice chat programs, music players, or any software that uses audio resources. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.